Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. Okay, so you can see this right hand side search button. So click on it. Then enter your model number B650 UDAC and then hit enter. Then click on name of data. Then guys click on support. After that select your operating system Windows 10 and 11, both installations process same. Chipset extract AMD chipset driver, just click to 71.95 and click on download. After click downloading, it will start downloading. So completed, and just open it and double click to launch. Then click on yes. And then install and then close it.